Are you looking for an easier, more organized way to keep track of your weekly tasks in ClickUp? Today, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to quickly set up a dedicated weekly to-do list using ClickUp's powerful template feature. By the end of this video, you'll have a reusable template that you can customize every week, so you can focus on getting things done, not shuffling sticky notes. Let's jump right in. First, when you open up ClickUp, chances are you land on your home dashboard. To save time, don't wander around. The fastest way is to simply hover over to your team space on the left sidebar. This is the home base for all your organized projects and lists. Hovering is enough for some options to pop up, but what we want is more control, so move your mouse over your team space and look for the three little dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on that and you'll get a bunch of settings and shortcuts. Now from this menu, select Template. Templates are like ready-made buildings for your tasks. You don't start from scratch, which saves a ton of time in the long run. Once you click Template, look for something that says Browse Template. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a whole library of templates designed by both ClickUp and users like us. Here's the fun part. In the search bar, type Weekly To-Do List and see what pops up. You'll probably notice quite a few variations. Maybe you want something minimal, or maybe you need a template that tracks habits or priorities every week. Take your time to read the descriptions. Don't worry if you're not sure at first, you can always test a couple out. Once you've found a template that looks like it fits your workflow, select it and then click Use Template. The system will now ask you to give your new list a name. Choose something descriptive like My Weekly Tasks or Marketing To-Dos June, whatever makes it instantly recognizable. Pause here for a moment. Naming matters more than you'd think, especially as you build up a library of lists over time. On the next screen, you'll see some options to customize the template. Maybe you want to add specific categories, tweak some of the colors, or insert automations like reminders and recurring tasks. If you're not sure what to update, start small, change a label, add your most common tasks, or drag things around until they feel right. This part might take a few moments, especially if you want to make the template really yours. And don't be afraid to experiment. Customizing is very forgiving in ClickUp, and you can always reset or adjust later. Once you're happy with your changes, click Use Template again to set everything up. After it's saved, you can rename your template, maybe with the week's date or a project name, just to make it even easier to locate. And if you spot anything that needs tweaking, you can always edit and customize further. Just remember, whenever you make changes that need to stick for future use, update both your current list and the underlying template. That way, everything stays in sync and you don't get any surprises next week. And that's it. Setting up a weekly to-do list in ClickUp doesn't take long, but investing a bit of time in making your template your own really pays off. Now, whenever Monday rolls around, you've got a clear plan that's ready to go. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other ClickUp tutorials you'd love to see. For more practical productivity tips, be sure to subscribe. There's a lot more coming your way. Thanks so much for watching.